Here's how to get the Tesla app on your Apple Watch and unlock its full potential in 3 easy steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Update your Tesla app. Open the Tesla app on your iPhone. Tap the 3 bars in the top right, then the question mark, and go to Tesla App Support. Tap Download on the App Store. If it says Update, do it now. You'll need version 4.39.5 to make this work. Step 2. Set up your Apple Watch. Go to the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Scroll to General, check for updates, and make sure you're on watchOS 11 or higher. Turn on Automatic App Install, then scroll to Installed on Apple Watch to confirm the Tesla app is there. Step 3. Access Tesla controls on your watch. Open the Tesla app on your watch and select your vehicle. You'll see lock status, charge percentage, and options to control the frunk, lights, or even honk. Pro tip. Add the Tesla app as a complication for quick access. Important. Until the Holiday Update 2024, 44.25.1 rolls out, you'll only see charge status. Everything else will say vehicle software update required. But when it's live, full control at your fingertips. Set it up now so you're ready when the update drops. You're just 3 steps away from controlling your Tesla right from your wrist. If this tip made your Tesla more efficient, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.